Alright, so today we're going to be opening, assembling, and reviewing the NavePoint 22U, I believe, 2-post server rack. And the only thing this server rack is going to do is display my computers. I was trying to think about the coolest way to have my computers set up in my new server room, and this is just what I came up with, so hopefully it works out. That's beefy. Lay out the pieces. There's the rail. And all that's garbage. Alright, looks like casters. So we got some casters in here. I love the black and white. I'm kind of going for that theme overall. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 casters. Some cage screws and some, what I presume is installation screws. Oh man, this bag is ripped. I don't think I lost anything though, because it was sealed up in this. Here's a part list. Alright, let's just dive right in. I don't know what, let's see, are those, what, are these Phillips head or are these Allen? Hex key, whatever you want to call them. Those are Phillips, okay? I'll take this opportunity to make an observation. I haven't noticed any really bad scratches or scuffs on the finish yet. So that's a plus. Alright, well, let's get to going. This is the 22U rack. And okay, so I'm assuming this is the bottom. So let's get going. This is going to go like side here. And nuts on the back. What I've done here basically is 2 screws through here, nuts on the back. That's all I've done. And then we're going to do the same thing for this next side. One thing to note, and which is pretty self-explanatory, but I will note it just in case you're actually watching this as you assemble yours. These side rails go inside the bottom piece. So they sit on the inside. And then you just put a screw through. Nut on the back. And tighten it down. And I can really only assume that this is going to go in the exact same way, which it does. Let's go ahead and pre-position these. Don't preposition them, pre-position them. And then we're going to make sure these holes are lined up nice and good. Alright, and that's our basic frame assembly completed. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to stand this beast up, and if you look at the manual here, well, what passes for a manual, you can see that the majority of the support goes to the back. So, what I mean by that is, let me move this. So what I mean by that is You see how these are angled. The angled piece goes towards the back. And so what we're going to do is we're going to stand this up. We're going to set it over in there, just like so. And I'm going to slide this one in, just like so. And then we're going to repeat the process. Repeating. Okay, that's got 2 bolts on each side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this on its back, like so. And there's 4 screws that go on the bottom. So you can get it started, and basically you just stick it in the hole. I'm just going to go over here and do same kind of situation. One to go. This one's always the hardest. All right, and here's the fully assembled rack. Now, one thing I will mention, and I just got very lucky on, is the front casters have these stoppers on them. And I just so happened to put both of them on the right place, and I realized that after I installed it. So if you get one of these and you're installing it, make sure you put the stoppers on the front there. But yeah, that's the rack. Let's put some shelves in it. All right, so I got these NavePoint 2-post cantilever shelves. And so let's see how they're going to work. All right. Okay. All right. So there's 1/2 of the shelf. Looks nice and pristine. And the other half. Now this first shelf is going to go on the bottom level. So I'm assuming, let's see what that's going to be like. Let's get closer. I'm assuming that's going to be something like that. I'm trying to visualize without having my PCs here. Trying to visualize how high these need to be to accommodate. But I think if I just do 11U each, that should be good. Let's see. The thing I didn't realize that I really am digging right now is how hollow these are. It's going to be perfect for cable management. It may actually change my mind about the way I want to do my cable management. I haven't decided yet. There's our expensive computer holder. Could I have gotten an IKEA piece? Well, yeah. But would it have been that sturdy? Probably not. And so let's take this and show you where it's going to live. Show you guys where it's going to live. Just barely fits through the door, but it fits, that's all that matters. And that's going to live somewhere right in there. Alright, so I've test fitted my Air 540s and they fit in there great. So now what I'm going to do is get those holes drilled in the wall and get some cables run.